Hello everyone, I'm Mike Anderson from Collision Advice, and this is my great friend Danny Gredinberg from the DEG. And we are so excited to be working with SCRS to bring you a brand new series of quick tips to help you to boost your business. An estimator needs to really evaluate what refinish operations are going to be needed to restore the vehicle back to pre-accident condition. One of the considerations that an estimator may have to evaluate is about tinting and blending. So first of all, let's talk a little bit about the verbiage. It has been my experience that vehicle manufacturers, as well as the paint manufacturers and other training organizations such as ICAR, all state very clearly that the purpose of tinting is to achieve a blendable match. So I'm going to say that again. Our goal is to tint to achieve a blendable match. Now, when it comes to blending, a lot of your paint manufacturers have produced documentation that says, for example, that it takes 18 inches to blend a dark metallic and 24 inches to blend a light metallic. And then when it comes to limited use toners, 3-stage or 4-stage, in some cases it may take 30 inches or more to blend those types of colors. So at the end of the day, ladies and gentlemen, keep in mind the goal is tint to achieve a blendable match. Now, oftentimes we get asked about, Mike, does this include, like if I'm going to blend into a hood or a deck lid or a bumper to a fender? Danny, what are your thoughts on that?
It's a great question, Mike. And blending adjacent panels is a not included operation. It's also defined in the three major estimating providers' P pages that tinting the color is a not included operation in their refinish time premise or in their labor time premise as well. So again, tint to blend or tint to create a blendable match is a not included operation in all three information providers' P pages. If you found today's tip helpful, please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and share the video. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by SCRS. If you aren't currently a member, I want to personally encourage you to join. Visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below. Don't delay and join today.